So we're at it again, back after a nice couple days. Last night I was able to finally get the majority of the charge pipe done. I'm about to show that to you guys now, and we're about to kind of sort of mock it up and see how it fits all together. Besides that, it's just going to be a really short video, show you guys how far we've gotten. I know there are no turbo kits for the 200 cubic inch Ford engine, so this is something that I had to have made, and took a lot of time to just get welded. Alright, so let's keep moving. As you can see, the pipe actually fits really well. Once I VBAND it, it just comes right around, and then this pipe over here, I'm probably just gonna end up cutting just a little bit off it, and then attaching the flange for the turbo, and we should be good, and the turbo will sit right there, right here where the battery is. I am definitely gonna weld up this little rust spot. I think I already have a pre-made piece that I got off CJ Pony Parts, but all in all, it looks like it's gonna work out. It looks like it's gonna work out. Yeah, I didn't attach the V-band because I don't have a nut down there to hold this bolt in, but yeah, it looks pretty good. It looks really good. Wow, my measurements were pretty on point. All right, let me clean this up and get to work. Excellent. So that's all we have for today. Just a quick sneak peek into what's to come. I did say that I would have this done by the weekend, so that is still my goal. I am off from work Thursday and Friday, so I'm gonna really hustle and try to wrap everything up. Please make sure that you check out our other videos. Also take a look at this new game that I posted, War Thunder. It's actually pretty awesome. I'm into free-to-play games, especially when it comes to airplanes and warfighters and all that stuff. Just make sure you use our code down below in the descriptions. That's all for today. Have a nice day.